Hey everybody, I'm Jeff Teague. This is AutoJeff Reviews, and this is Ocean Gem, the newest color in the Camry lineup, and this is the 2025 Camry XLE. For 2025, we're gonna have 4 different trim levels, and each of those is available in front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. This is the all-wheel drive. It starts just over $34,000. We'll get the exact pricing when I show you the spec sheets at the end. But XLE, this is the one that's the cream of the crop. It rises to the top like a House of Pain song, and it's gonna have bling, gadgets, bells, whistles, and features like this really cool redesigned front end. And it's gonna have this.
Whoa. Are you reviewing the car or writing a rap song?
I am. I'm doing both. I'm hip hop. I keep it real.
Sounds like a rap song, just saying.
How about life in the fast lane? TFL's gonna lose your mind. Let's look right here and we see, ooh, we've got microfiber accented seats here. Dynamica is what it's called. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Really cool here. Oh, big giant screen. Look at this texture right here in the side panels. It's soft touch leather accents on the XSE, but on this one right here, it's like the microfiber. Really cool looking. So we're gonna go over section by section and show you what we know. But I do have to tell you, we'll call it performance fast facts. 232 horsepower or 225 horsepower, depending on if you get all-wheel drive or if you get front-wheel drive. This one's AWD. You down with AWD? Yeah, you know me. All right, let's get this sucker open. Start the show. Heavy. We're doing our curls. It's a heavy, heavy hood. So we figured out, we open this up, put it off to the side, and tell you about this one right here. It's 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. We've got electric motor power in the front, but also electric motor in the back. So that's giving us the on-demand all-wheel drive. It has electronically controlled CVT transmission and the suspension. We have re-engineered braking support, re-engineered suspension. It's independent McPherson struts in the front. Multi-link suspension in the back, 4-wheel disc brakes, it's legit. But what about the MPG? The MPG, it's really consistent across the board. 46 in the city, 46 on the highway, 46 combined, fuel doors on the driver's side like you could expect with a Toyota, and it's a 13.0 gallon fuel tank. All right, let's check this out. Do we have headroom? Do we have legroom? Oh, this is nice. This is leather and microfiber. It's very comfortable seats. You have to try this out. This isn't me being biased or anything. It just feels nice. So I was told by the chief engineer that the ride comfort and the seating has been improved versus the last generation. That is a true statement, my friends. There's a hump here, says Buffalo Bill from Silence of the Lambs. So look at the view here from the back. It's very simply done. It's very tasteful, not overwhelming with too many buttons, controls, and dials. Oh, hello. Say hello to my little friend. I will hug him and rub him and call him George. This is very comfortable. I love the Dynamica. I like saying that. It sounds like a superhero name or somebody in a girl band. This is Dynamica's part. All right. I love that accent. This feels good. This is nice and chunky. I'd rest my arm here for 6 hours on a road trip. We got child latches down, child latches up above, all the way across, and USB support. I see the door right there. I see that. Got door and bottle openings. Oh, and then USBs and air. What else can we see? Well, bigger openings for bottles and cups. Soft touch, soft touch. I like it. I like it. This is twist, turn, up, bop it, twist it, pull it. All right, so again, these are very comfortable here. Perforated seats, heated seats, cooled seats. This one opens up halfway. We'll get to that when it's finished. But right now we're gonna show this console here. You can see the key, lucky number 14. That used to be my favorite number in the world. I don't know what my favorite number is anymore, but it might be 14. I haven't really thought about it. Eco, Normal, Sport, EV, electronic parking brake, brake hold, wireless charging. We've got 5 total USBs, 3 in the front, 2 in the back. I love this pocket right here. That's cool, man. That's cool. And this is how far the pano roof opens. This is an unusual place. I don't think I've seen a Toyota have their memory seats right there. I love that though. That's really neat. I just like it. It just looks so different. I don't know why I'm stunned by that. So this has everything that the passenger seat has except for a lumbar support as well. I'm worried if I film too much from this side that the sun's gonna get me. Now it has the 360 camera. Remember, we saw that brightness. It's got traction control on and off, automatic high beams, soft touch here. That kind of goes with everything. Oh, I just love it. Now, this has an upgraded Premium Plus package. So there are a lot of features that are on it. We'll see what they are. One of them is gonna be this driver inattention alert. It tells you when you're looking the other way. If you're distracted too long, it'll go beep, beep, and say, hey, pay attention, yo. If you're slumped down in your seat, it'll say, cannot see your eyes. That's pretty wild, right? Also a 10-inch head-up display. Shows right there. We can kind of see it right where my finger is. It's there. And this is the Toyota Audio Multimedia. It's 12.3 inches. It's nice to have a large screen for a Toyota 12.3-inch digital display, so that's also nice to see. I only want to just go through a few different features, functions, things like that for you. I've done this in so many other of my Toyota videos with the Toyota Audio Multimedia. I certainly don't want to bore anybody. But one thing I do want to tell you is that you can change your meter style. So you can change the look of it like that. We'll change that for the next person, see if they like it. I think they'll like my little treat. I think they'll like what I changed for them. But you can do your safety features there. This is the all-wheel drive meter right here. Let's see, where can I get to it? Come on, Jeff. Let's get to it right over here. So that tells you when you're using more power to the front wheels, the rear wheels. Being an on-demand system, it can send torque support all the way to the back to give you that optimal traction when times are slippery. Or less grippy, we'll call it, yes. And then this right here, it's got the navigation built in. It's got voice commands that you can give the car. 90s on 9. Champagne supernova in the sky. Bobby Brown. Every little step I take will be together, girl. Home link for garage door openers. Auto dimming rearview mirror. Light. Very nice. And a microphone here and a microphone here so we can give different directions and things like that. Here are some specs. So we'll just look at these spec sheets here in the trunk so that the wind doesn't take it away. But just see what's important to you, what stands out, and we'll talk about it in the comment section together. So if you leave a comment, I'll write back. Here we go. What else we got? We got interior features. Holla. H-O-L-L-A-A-A-A-A. Holla. Take a look at those. What does holla mean? My sister and I used to do that when we're excited about silly things or stupid things. And so now it just becomes a battle cry, an anthem for Toyota Jeff Nation. So everybody embrace the holla. In the Premium Plus, we have traffic jam assist, lane change assist, front cross traffic alert tells you if the coast is clear before you pull out. Rear cross traffic braking, that'll help you if you're backing up into something here. Got the parking assist with automatic braking, driver attention monitor, safe exit alert or assist. The panoramic view, I love that. The 9 JBL speakers, that's awesome. 10-inch color head-up display, and you can see everything else on there. Pricing starts at $34,925. We got that big package there, and then $39,600 with adding that in too. So there's your pricing. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. What do you think about the Camry? How about that XLE, huh? Pretty exciting. Are you a fan of the LE, the SE, the XLE, or the YMCA? No, the XSE. You tell me which one you like. What about the pricing? What about the value? Which one's best for you? I appreciate you being here. I'm at 2 different YouTube channels, Instagrams, TikToks, and Facebook. So that's Toyota Jeff Reviews, this one here, and then all brands are at AutoJeff Reviews. So thanks guys for being here. I appreciate you all. And of course, remember to click that Camry playlist so you can learn all about Camry. We've got so many different Camry videos so you can learn about your favorite mid-size sedan. Thanks for being here and click and subscribe. You're the best.